So, Sammy, what do you have there?
So, apparently, we get a bark box every month thanks to a really, really awesome person. However, in this month's bark box, there's fish skin. Why is it fish skin? And look, you can see the scales. And you should smell it, folks. I wish you had smell-o-vision. Even I don't like it, and I'm a dog. It's kind of gross. I don't even want it next to me.
Really?
Yeah.
What about a normal treat?
My stomach's kind of turned.
I'll make a takeaway. Here. I'll make a takeaway. I've been living with dogs too long.
No kidding. Now, see, this is good stuff.
It's better, isn't it?
What is this?
It's made out of turkey.
Turkey's better than fish scales.
Turkey protein.
Ooh, I like protein.
I'll just hold it for you.
Yes, thank you. That's very nice of you. And I'll just nibble away, having a good time.
Take your time.
Yep. So, how's my haircut?
It's bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
It is, but, you know, it was free.
Yeah.
And you're going to look better in about
2 to 3 weeks. So it'll take me 2 to 3 weeks to eat this.
It might.
And then my hair will look nicer.
Your teeth look good. You got them cleaned, huh?
Well, thank you. Yes, you did that.
Yes. Well, I didn't do it.
Well, no, but you know.
Oh my goodness, we have to go.
Oh, well, find me home.
Okay, can you take it?
Scales.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.